I've learned that there's an art to changing, that I'm the potter and the clay, I'm the canvas and the painter, the marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush, is a rush, feel the rush.
Oh my lord, guys, please, I'm begging you, don't judge me because I'm posting this video in March. Okay, we're still in March, right? Oh, thank god it's not up to April. So this video was supposed to come up since January that we did my daughter's birthday, but guys, I've not been able to edit this video. Gosh, I just need someone that can be editing my videos. Please, if you know in the comment section, please let me know. Please let me know someone that can just be editing my content, because I do not have the time from juggling motherhood, work, and can you see this boy, Jaden and his papa, I just say boys they like mama. This one they just call switch and boy Jaden and his papa, and Bria no go leave me, Jaden no go leave him papa. This boy go follow him papa. So far as you see him papa, he go hug his leg, hug everything, cry everywhere. That's by the way. Anywho, so this is me still posting, no content is waste. Like, I cannot waste this content. This is me still posting, how I prep for my daughter's birthday. So like you saw in the previous clip, I wanted to do a simple gathering. I just invited like 10 people. Like, I did not want it to be too plenty, you understand? Like, I just needed a simple cozy gathering to celebrate my baby girl. Ooh, birthday girl. It's going to the permanent site. Assistant birthday mommy. Assistant birthday god mommy. Not really assistant birthday. So guys, as you saw now, like, I didn't like the wall of my compound because they are still renovating the place, and there's a new building going on. So I had to use that white material to try and make some pleats. And like I said, I was just inviting just 10 people, so everything was just simple because food is hard. I don't want anything to waste, So this my beautiful chef came around, my beautiful baby girl. She came to help us to cook, and then we had our swimming pool. Hubby was filling in the swimming pool. And then my neighbor, this is my neighbor's son, he also came around to help me with the pleats, while I was also doing the remainder of the decor. You guys, I have posted so many balloon decors. So you have to do a balloon gala from my channel by now. This is the cake stand I did. I also have a video on it, and all the write-up, Brielle, letter 5, Barbie, everything my husband wrote it out for me, and I just carved it in a glitter foam sheet. The number 5, like I showed you guys, I did it using carton, then I just used a white material, a white paper to cover everything. That's our Barbie face there. My hubby is the one that drew it. I showed all these clips in my previous post of when I was making the cake stand and the Barbie box. You remember the video? Please check it out if you have not seen how I made it. Then this number 5, I did not do a video of this number 5 because I ran out of time. I couldn't video the time. But if you want to see a video on that, let me know. And if you're also around me and you need me to come and do a decoration for your birthday, don't mind me. Oh, that was why one balloon just burst in my ear. So you need me to do some birthday decorations, wedding decorations, any kind of decoration at all, just invite me. Like me, I am all in one. I got you. So my friends also from the church, my choir members, they also came around to help me. Oh my god, I felt so blessed. Like, This is Tumife, the lady on black. Her name is Tumife. She's so caring. This is Osho, the other lady there, and we had another one, Comfort. She was inside, trying to chop some veggies and all. Yes, so this is what we were doing, trying to set up. So when they came, they actually told me to shift the setup, closer to the back, the Barbie stand, so everything when we are celebrating the pictures, everything, the Barbie stand and the setup will just go in place. So I got this paper plates, I got this flower baskets that my other friend was trying to set up for me. This pink flower basket, this pink plate, the pink cups, the pink straws. I got them all from Dates and Memories on Instagram. Check them out. I got them all from Dates and Memories. That's their handle, Dates and Memories. Then I got the flowers from Lagos Island Market, So this is us just setting up the place. And the wood I'm using, you guys know I'm a DIY queen. I am not ready to go. I don't even have the money to even spend to carry carpenter to buy to make all this wood for me. So I had to bring out the wood from my children's bed. And I added some crates under it. Then I had to buy this pink fur material, so I could just spread it. As we were arranging this thing, the breeze was just flying up and down. The breeze was flinging the whole plate. Guys, after I bought some fringe curtains, pink fringe curtains that I wanted to, put at the background, especially on this sitting area and then around the Barbie box area. But guys, it skipped my mind. I totally forgot. After putting the white background, I forgot. And guess what? I did not even use those fringe curtains. I bought 4. Can you imagine? And I did not even use it. It was after the birthday party that I remembered. Guys, as we were here, breeze was just flinging everything up and down. Breeze was just throwing all the plates, throwing the flower baskets, the paper plates. So we had to double them up and, then put some chocolate inside the sweets, inside the cups, to help, make the plates sturdy before we proceeded to the other decorations, guys. This is me still trying to complete the Barbie box. I did not complete it that time, so I had to come and gum this side because this was an opening. I decided to gum this side, then also cover the upper part of the Barbie box. So that day I was just doing decor. This is another of my beautiful friends, Sister Ini. She's a very beautiful and amazing fashion designer. She's so good. So yes, this is how the setup was now looking so beautiful. We added some balloons in the number 5. Oh my gosh, I loved it. I think I loved it so much that I forgot that I was supposed to add pink curtains all around it. Imagine if it had the pink curtains all around it, everything would have looked super fine. But this is still fine. At least it's better than the wall that it was before. So I also forgot to buy this balloon arc that I wanted to set up in this dining area. I forgot, so I had to use some pipes which I spray painted black. I'm sorry I could not show you guys that. So we tried to make an arc in which we added balloons, but the balloons kept bursting, so we just left it like that. This is the arc. We have already placed it here. As you can see, this is just so beautiful. Is this not beautiful? Did I not try, guys? Did I not try? Did your girl not try? This is just too beautiful. All was left was just for me to add the cushions or throw pillows, whichever you want to call, all around it, and then start serving. And oh my god, look at the table. Like I said, I just needed an intimate gathering. I just invited 10 people, but Lagos now, there's no way you throw party that people will not come and fool. But anyway, my concept was just let's just have a mini gathering for my baby girl, gathering of close friends, especially friends from her classroom. So yeah, that's what we got, and everything was just giving what it was supposed to give. Look at the flowers, look at the plates, this is the flower baskets, everything was gotten from Dates and Memories on Instagram. So if you wanted Dates and Memories, so we had to add some chocolates, like I said, into the cups. Guys, it was so beautiful. So this was when we tried to add the balloons. The balloons were just bursting, they were just falling off. Oh my gosh, oh my god, is this table not looking beautiful? This table is looking so beautiful though, guys. I cannot believe I did this myself. So on the other side, we brought up my dining table. where we just placed the food, the cakes and everything. So I bought some biscuits, some chocolate biscuits, and my friend Tumife, she was, trying to do some icing, some pink icing that we're gonna use to decorate the biscuits. Like, I just wanted everything to be colorful. You guys have seen all these colorful cookies that they use in spelling names and all these things on Instagram. But guys, go and price it now. It is very expensive. So I decided to do a DIY version of that. So we just did the icing. Tumife came and she was, helping me to do the icing with the icing sugar and butter. Then we added, this is the pink color. We were just adding in. So we mixed it until it gave us a desired color, which was pink. And we added it to the biscuits, like you can see. We tried our best. She tried her best, actually. So it was actually nice. She tried her best to write Brielle, as you can see from the dark chocolate, the second line, Brielle. She tried to carve out Brielle from it. It was so beautiful. We also had some parfait. We had some fruits cup. What do they call that? A mixture of fruits with milk and yogurt and everything. This was parfait. Everything was just so beautiful. Some chocolates and sweets for the kids, for games, chocolate cakes, and this is the cake we covered with cling film, and everything was just looking so amazing, guys. I really enjoyed doing this setup, even though some of the things did not, go the way I planned. And this is my baby girl. Before people started coming, we started to, take content with her. Oh my gosh, she enjoyed it. Imagine if that fringe curtain was behind her. Gosh, it would have looked so beautiful, so nice and pinkish, you get. But I forgot, I totally forgot. But anyway, without the fringe curtain, guys, it was still looking nice, right? Even without the fringe cutting. Please just tell me that it was looking nice, because my baby girl was so excited for her birthday. Look at her looking all glamorous, all Barbie-ish. You all know I also make hair bows. Look at the hair bows on her head. It's custom made by moi. So just call me for anything. I got your back. I got you. Let me keep quiet so you guys can, enjoy the video. Thank you so much. If you've watched up to here and you're not subscribed, please, just click that subscribe button below this video. Hit the notification bell. Share this video. Like this video. Give it a huge thumbs up. It doesn't cost nothing. You're not paying money to like. Just like it. Share the video to your channel, to your community. And thank you so much. God bless you. See you all in my next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye bye. Mwah.